In this video, we are going to show you how to set up AM Tunnel Lite VPN with WireGuard. So to set up AM Tunnel Lite VPN on your mobile device, you need to actually have, as you can see we have here right now, but you need to go to the Play Store and search for AM Tunnel Lite VPN. It's going to show you this option right here, and then just download and install it just like any other app. And then once you're done, tap on open. Now you might have some ads because they do have a lot of ads, right? So once that's done, let's just wait for it to load. Sometimes it does freeze or stop working on your phone. So as you can see, it's not working right now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to close all apps and then just go back again and open AM Tunnel VPN, right? There we go. As you can see, this is going to be noticed. Just tap OK. And here you just select auto select server, and you have some options: UDP, Super DNS, Fast DNS, PDQA. Just tap on auto select server and just choose whatever server you want to get. For example, let's just do that and just tap start. So connect with your request, just tap OK, right? And then after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.